Are you creating a ton of content, but you just don't know what to do with it, or how to monetize it, or how to run ads, what platform to put it on, and what is actually working? Well, if you're frustrated with all the digital marketing options out there, I've been there. And I can tell you, without focus and without strategy in building your target audience, you might as well just give up now. Quit wasting your time if you're not actually going to pay attention to the analytics and what your ROI is going to be on each platform. That's return on investment. I've really focused over the past several years of building an audience online, people that resonate with me, people who want a GSD, people who want to be productive and run a profitable business. Not just to be creating content to create content, but with an actual strategy. In fact, I've been getting the question so many times over and over that I've decided to put a workshop together on creating content and how to crush your content. You see, there's this little strategy called wash, like washing your hair, which I hate to do because it's so time consuming, rinse, and repeat. And it's just a cycle. And if you have a strategy, you can create compelling content using keywords that will resonate. Finally see the ROI. Marketing is hard now. There's almost too many options that are constantly changing. Sign up for Crushing Content Workshop and come spend just a little time with me in person or on Zoom. We have people log in all over the world who are trying to crack the code on creating content. Wouldn't it be nice to just say something one time and use it on 10 different platforms? Well, I'm gonna show you how. And then people are gonna be saying to you, I see your business everywhere. How are you in all these different places? You will have the tools to be productive and profitable with your content. Sign up today. Don't delay. Sign up today. That sounded really cheesy.